Today I will show you how to blur faces with blurface app. Let's make it quick. First, select some photo from your gallery. And as you can see, we've got three faces on the photo. How to blur it? Simply click blur. As you can see, the app automatically detected faces. So you can just click to blur. You can choose other effect, like if you want to cover the face completely, you will use the cover and it's like this. Or if you prefer Pixalate, you could also do that. And that's all. You've got your photos saved in your gallery. But let's try another features. So basically, when you want to blur, you can also select the shape of the blurred area, and you can choose the oval, the rectangle or square, or simply if you want just to cover the eye, you can do this with this option. Simply click on this, and yeah, that's it. If you want to blur by square, yeah, as you can see, it's possible to have different variations on one photo. So you can use on one photo circle, square, or just cover the eyes. It's all possible. Okay, let's save this photo. Let's try another option. Sometimes if you have group photo and you've got more people on the photo and you don't want to click on each face to blur it, you've got option just like to apply to all faces, and it was just one click and every face is blurred. This is great for group photos. There is also another option. Sometimes if you want to cover some area, mm, some area, you don't want to cover just faces, there is some custom area where you can just draw on your photo which area you want to blur, and um, this part of the photo will be blurred. So yeah, that's it. You will find in the app also the settings. So in settings, you will find the default option to blur. If you are not happy with the current effect, which is set by default, you can change it to make the intensity to higher or lower. It's the same for pixel size. Or you can also turn off the animations you will see when you are just covering. So that's it. Also, uh, I'd like to show you that sometimes there's no need to open the app, select the photo from the gallery. You can do something like that you are in the gallery, you are just opening the photo, and then when you are using this share option in gallery, you will see blur face. You can click that, and then the photo is automatically loaded in the app and you can blur it. And basically that's all.